Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by killing power, turn off the breaker, and confirm no voltage with a non-contact tester. Once done, remove the switch cover and loosen terminals, keeping screws and noting which wire goes where. Make sure your multimeter is set to continuity or the diode setting. Check the leads and battery so readings are reliable. You do this to prevent shock and false readings. Now you're ready to test the actual switch terminals, not the wires, so position the meter and prepare to act. You isolate the switch by disconnecting one conductor so the meter sees only the switch. Place one probe on the common terminal and the other on the output terminal. In continuity mode, you want a beep or a reading near 0 ohms when closed. Now operate the switch. Flip it on and off while watching the meter. This shows how the internal contacts open and close. If the meter doesn't change state, you found a failed contact or wrong terminal, so retest connections and repeat. You finish by reattaching wires to their original terminals, securing the switch and cover, then restore power and verify the light functions. If your continuity test failed, swap in a known good switch or reverse the meter leads to rule out instrument error. Make sure to inspect terminals for looseness, corrosion, or incorrect multi-way wiring. These often mimic a bad switch. If symptoms persist after those checks, replace the switch. Always turn power off before any component swap to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.